Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Welcome back to where we bring you creative and innovative ideas to spruce up your living space. Today, we're diving into a fantastic hack that will transform your front porch into a strikingly charming space. All we need is a simple pool noodle and a planter, two items that are easily accessible and incredibly versatile. Ever wondered what to do with those old pool noodles lying around? Well, today we're going to repurpose them into something truly amazing. The first step is to grab your trusty pool noodle and a sharp knife. Now I know what you're thinking. Pool noodles and sharp knives? What a peculiar combination. But trust me on this one, it's going to make a lot of sense in just a moment. So you've got your pool noodle and knife in hand. What you're going to do next is carefully cut the noodle into sections. You'll want these sections to be about the same height as your planter. This is an important detail, so make sure you measure twice and cut once. And remember, safety first. Hold the pool noodle firmly on a stable surface while cutting, and always cut away from your body. Once you've got your sections cut, you'll start to see the vision come together. But we're not done yet, so stick around. Make sure you do this carefully to avoid any accidents. Now here comes the magic. With your pool noodle sections ready, it's time to arrange them in the planter. This is where the fun begins. We're going to take these cut sections of pool noodle and place them snugly inside your planter. Think of it as a jigsaw puzzle, only much simpler. Each piece you place should be tightly packed and evenly spaced. This creates a supportive base for the soil and plants, and also ensures efficient drainage, which is crucial for healthy plant growth. Remember, the goal here is to create a conducive environment for your plants to thrive. So, take your time to get it right. This simple hack not only gives a new lease of life to your old pool noodles, but also adds an element of surprise to your front porch decor. And just like that, we're halfway through our project. Next, fill the planter with soil, making sure to cover the pool noodle sections completely. This is a crucial step in our transformation process. The soil is not just a filler, but it will also serve as the anchor for our plants and provide them with essential nutrients. So, let's get to it. Start by grabbing a bag of your favorite potting soil. It's always a good idea to choose soil that's rich in organic matter and one that drains well. This will ensure that your plants have the best possible start in their new home. Pour the soil into your planter, right over the pool noodle sections. Try to distribute it evenly, filling in all the gaps. Keep adding soil until you've completely covered the pool noodle pieces. Now let's add some life to our planter. Select your favorite flowers or herbs, whatever suits your fancy. Today, we'll be using vibrant geraniums and sweet-smelling basil. They're hardy, easy to care for, and they'll add a pop of color and a dash of fragrance to our front porch. Start by making a small hole in the soil with your fingers, roughly the same depth as the root ball of your plant. Carefully remove the plant from its pot and place it in the hole. Gently firm the soil around the plant, making sure it's secure and upright. Repeat this process until you've filled your planter with a lush array of greenery. Remember, it's your creation, so feel free to arrange your plants in any pattern or design that you like. Give your new creations a good watering to help them settle in and thrive. Watering is essential, as it not only quenches your plant's thirst, but also helps to compact the soil, providing a more stable base for your plants. And there you have it. You've successfully turned an old pool noodle and a planter into a stunning floral display. It's a testament to the fact that with a little creativity, anything can be transformed into something beautiful. Now all that's left to do is to sit back, relax, and enjoy the fruits of your labor. And there you have it, folks, a brilliant front porch transformation using nothing more than an old pool noodle and a planter. Isn't it amazing how something so simple can have such a dramatic impact? This colorful, vibrant, and eco-friendly planter is not just a feast for the eyes, but also a testament to the wonders of repurposing and creativity. Now let's talk about the benefits of this ingenious hack. First of all, it's an excellent way to recycle those pool noodles that would otherwise end up in the trash. We're all about reducing waste and finding new uses for old items here, and this project is a perfect example of that. Secondly, it's a fantastic way to save on soil. By filling up some of the planter's space with pool noodles, you use less soil than you would in a traditional planter. Plus, the lightweight pool noodles make the planter easier to move around, which is great if you like to switch things up now and then. But the benefits don't stop there. The pool noodles also improve drainage and prevent waterlogging, creating a healthier environment for your plants. And let's not forget the aesthetic appeal. This pool noodle planter adds a burst of color and personality to your front porch, making it more inviting and appealing. So, why not give it a try? Grab that old pool noodle, find a planter, and let your creativity run wild. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve with a little imagination and a dash of DIY spirit. If you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue to bring you fresh, innovative DIY ideas. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. When you subscribe, you become part of our DIY community, and we'd love to have you on board. Don't forget to hit the notification bell as well, so you never miss an opportunity to get crafty. Before we wrap up, we'd love to hear from you. If you decide to take on this project, let us know how it goes in the comments below. Or if you have any other creative ways to repurpose pool noodles, we're all ears. Thanks for tuning in and happy crafting. See you next time.